What is going on YouTube? It's your neighborhood redneck back at you again. And today, we're going to replace the wristband to my Gear S2. Sadly it broke, but today we got the new one in. So let's check it out. Alright, so let's open up this package and see what we got for a watch band here for the Gear S2. Fashion watch band. Not sure how to pronounce that. Let's open it up. Come out of it. Alright. So, here it is. I like the feel of the fabric. It's got a great color to it, gray and black. So this is compatible for the R720 and the R730. I do not think it fits the S2 Classics. It is really lightweight. It's got a stainless steel buckle here. It's made out of premium canvas. It's got a NATO woven nylon in it, so it's got a great feel to it. So let's get this one off. Nice snap in there. Nice snap there. Awesome. Be great to have my watch back. I broke that a couple weeks ago and haven't been wearing my watch. So this is adjustable from 5.5 inches to 8 3/4 inch. Sizes of wrists. That's pretty nice. So this one's real comfortable to wear. Hopefully it breathes better. This leather one here, I've had it for over a year, but when I would sweat, it would dye my wrist black. And I finally ripped the pin out of the other end. Then the rubber ones, they seem to stick to me really well when I sweat. So I'm really hoping this one breathes. It is light. Pretty nice snug fit. I like it. The stainless steel buckle here, great addition. Durable. Sweet. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.